It is a fact that the coronavirus epidemic has negatively impacted on the socio-economic environment all over the world. The viral infection started off in China and has since spread to other nations around the world. In this video, we shall be covering some of the greatest personalities in the entertainment and sports world, who have joined in the big fight against the coronavirus pandemic by contributing funds and providing the necessary equipment. Number 10. Rudy Gobert announced on March 14 that he is donating $500,000 to those impacted by the suspension of the basketball season, including $200,000 for part-time employees at Salt Lake City's Vivint Home Arena. Number 9. Ciara and Russell Wilson. The singer and her husband, Seattle Seahawks quarterback Russell Wilson, are donating 1 million meals to the Food Lifeline, which provides nutritious meals to the food insecure in Western Washington. Number 8. Rihanna. Her non-profit organization, the Clara Lionel Foundation, donated $5 million to various organizations supporting underserved communities from the U.S. to Malawi. Through their contributions to Direct Relief, Partners in Health, Feeding America, the International Rescue Committee, World Health Organization's COVID-19 Solidarity Response Fund and more, CLF's donation will support underserved communities in the face of the global pandemic, as well as the healthcare professionals working tirelessly to keep them safe. Number 7. Kip Moore. Kip Moore recently offered up $5,000 to an East Nashville restaurant to help those in need. He later teamed up with Nashville organizations to help provide over 3,000 meals to kids in the area that rely on free school meals. Number 6. James Taylor. James Taylor and his wife Kim donated $1 million to Massachusetts General Hospital. The gift will support the MGH President's Emergency Response Fund, which was established after the Boston Marathon bombing. For the COVID-19 outbreak, these funds are supporting development of in-house testing, establishing a coronavirus hotline for patients, allowing spaces in the hospital to be quickly transformed to accommodate COVID patients, expanding telemedicine capabilities and purchasing personal protective equipment. Number 5. Shawn Mendes. The Shawn Mendes Foundation donated $175,000 to the Hospital for Sick Children to provide the Toronto-based facility with emergency medical resources to combat coronavirus, and efficient care to patients, families, staff, and the overall community. Number 4. Dolly Parton. The country legend announced on April 1 that she's donating $1 million to the Vanderbilt University for assisting in coronavirus research and finding a cure. Numerous teams are working on research into a coronavirus vaccine. U.S. biotechnology firm Moderna began trials for a vaccine on March 16, with Chinese firm CanSino Biologics launching its own trials the same day. Parton is also fighting another front of the coronavirus crisis: bored children. On Thursday, she launched Good Night with Dolly, a bedtime story series on YouTube. Number 3. John Mayer. The singer-cum-songwriter recently made a generous donation to the Livingston Healthcare Foundation to be used to purchase ventilators, as local healthcare providers prepare to battle the novel coronavirus. Mayer reportedly reached out to the hospital to ask about the organization's needs. Number 2. Elton John. Through his Elton John Foundation, he launched a $1 million emergency fund account to assist frontline workers combat the effects of COVID-19 on HIV care among the most marginalized groups around the world. The foundation has been deeply involved in distributing medicine, testing kits, and preventive treatment to the vulnerable in an effort to fight the AIDS pandemic.
Number 1.
Jay-Z and Meek Mill. Jay-Z and Meek Mill, through their Justice and Reform organization, donated more than 130,000 surgical masks to frontline workers at various correctional facilities, correctional officers, and inmates in an effort to help fight the COVID-19 pandemic. One of the spokespersons noted that such areas were high risk due to congestion and crowding. Reform sent 40,000 masks to the Tennessee Department of Corrections, 50,000 to New York's Rikers Island and 2,500 to its medical facility where there are already 200 cases of COVID-19. Other facilities include the Mississippi State Penitentiary at Parchman receiving 5,000 surgical masks, as well as prisons in South Carolina receiving more than 30,000 masks. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Before you leave, remember to hit the subscribe button. Let us know of any other celebrity donations by leaving a comment below. See you soon. Bye bye.